I guess I'm nice. Maybe also a little naughty. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Liz and I'm back today to share with you something a little bit different. I guess I'm now officially an influencer because I was approached by FabFitFun, which is a little hard to say, FabFitFun, to do an unboxing video for you. I got to customize everything that's in this box and I'm actually really excited because I kind of forgot what is in it. So let's open it up. Okay, it's cute. It says so nice, it almost feels naughty. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. I guess I'm nice. Maybe also a little naughty. Okay, I have to say as a graphic designer, I do really like the packaging, the box. The typography is very on point, so props to FabFitFun for that. It says cozy time. This is the winter box. So let's see what's in here. Oh, yes. I forgot I got this. So I'm really excited to try this. I have been getting more and more into fragrances. It's called Milk by Commodity, which is an interesting name. Scent space, expressive, for me and the many around me. Let's give it a whiff, shall we? Nice little bottle. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Unfortunately, I already have a scent on right now, but I'm just gonna spray it on my wrist. That is absolutely lovely. Ooh, it's kind of sweet. It seems like a really good all year round kind of fragrance, so I'll be interested to try that, just, you know, my whole body and see how it dries down and lasts throughout the day. Okay, next up in the box is 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. I am gonna try this out and I can do a follow-up post, but I haven't tried it yet, and I am excited because I'm pretty into skincare. Apply morning and evening after cleansing. Dispense 5 to 7 drops into hand and press product firmly into skin. Smells nice. Very fresh. I will have to try it, and I will get back to you on that one. Ooh. I forgot I got this hand cream. It's Natura Ecos hand cream. Anti-dryness, renourishes the skin. We are vegan. We use fair trade biodiversity ingredients from the Amazon. We work with local communities to keep the forest standing. Nice. Ooh, it smells so good. Feels very nice and silky, and you know, I'm gonna put some on my elbows because I have eczema on my elbows or psoriasis or something. I don't actually know. Ooh, I got a lash serum. I forgot I got this. I'm always excited to try lash serums. I do use a lash serum right now, but I think it's coming to the end of its life, so I will be switching out and trying this. And I can do an update in 4 to 6 weeks on this, so I guess hang on for that too. Actually, you know what? I will open it and see what the package looks like. Okay, just the little gold tube. So I will try that. Also got, what is this? Oh, another perfume. Excellent. I'm gonna smell like a Dillard's in here. I don't even, does Dillard's even sell perfume? I don't know. Let's, oh. How does this work? Oh, I guess you're supposed to just, oh, okay, there we go. I'll spray this on my other wrist, and of course I got it all greasy because my hands have that moisturizer on them now, but this is called Dolce by Rosie Jane. Ooh, very sweet. Oh, it's very like vanilla and sweet, but it's really nice. I do really like vanilla fragrances. And that one has a little bit of a floral scent to it. But that's going to be so nice. I can tell I'm going to wear both of those a lot. Okay, and the last item is cheese knives. I forgot I got these too. Cute, very nice, just like a nice little brass cheese spatula, if you will. And another knife. And this one. I don't know what all these cheese knives are for because I'm uncultured. But I'm sure each one has a specific cheese it's supposed to be used for. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to get your own FabFitFun box, if we're 20% off, then make sure you use my code Liz20 because I'm a real influencer now. And yeah, get 20% off your box. And again, you get to customize it. It's pretty sweet. And this really is a fun experience. So thank you to FabFitFun for sending me this box. Till next time, I hope you guys are doing amazingly. I'll see you next time.